Hi, my name is Jo Settle. I'm the Curriculum Manager for Engineering at the R&N Group Rotherham. So you're interested in the welding qualifications. Fabrication and welding is a physically demanding role and can lead you into some great opportunities. Some of the work can include manufacturing bridges, oil rigs, ships, automotive and machinery parts, sheet metal enclosures, equipment supports, and obviously anything that can be fabricated out of metal. Fabricators can work alone or in teams, in factories and on operational sites. At Rotherham, we've got a great team of experienced staff who will help you throughout your qualification, including the team leader, Richard Ruggs. Can I give you some information about the courses we offer? The Level 1 Certificate in Engineering Technologies. This is an introductory course into working within engineering. It's a one-year full-time programme where you will also complete your Maths and English GCSEs. You will do one unit from welding, MIG, metal inert gas, one from electrical and one from mechanical engineering. You will also learn health and safety and how to conduct yourself in a workshop environment. You will learn how to weld in various positions and joints in the down hand flat position. Some of the skills will include how to read basic drawings, marking, measuring and preparing metal using hand and power tools. You'll sit an online multi-choice exam for health and safety and written knowledge assessments. You will attend sessions for CV development and employability skills, and you will attend a work placement to gain the valuable workplace experience of the engineering environment. On achievement of the course and your Maths and English, you can then progress onto a Level 2 course in either electrical, mechanical or welding, depending on the best experience and trade you prefer. Moving on to Level 2. This is the Diploma in Engineering Operations, Skills and Knowledge. This is a full-time 2-year course with entry requirements of a minimum grade of 4 in both Maths and English. Some of the skills and knowledge you will learn are health and safety, heat treatment, manual metal arc welding, plate work, thermal cutting, environmental awareness and engineering techniques, TIG and MIG welding, plasma CNC, CAD and communication. You will sit an online health and safety exam and you will be tested on your practical skills throughout the course. You will also be tested on the knowledge of each process. You will attend sessions for CV development and employability skills, and you will attend a work placement to gain valuable workplace knowledge of the engineering environment. On achievement of this course, you can move on to the Level 3 Fabricator course with an apprenticeship. Within the apprenticeship is the Level 3 Diploma in Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering. This is a 2-year course after completion of the Level 2 course. You will need an apprenticeship to be able to start this qualification and will have already achieved the Grade 4 GCSEs for Maths and English. You will learn about health and safety, communication, mathematics, CAD, manual metal arc, MIG, TIG, fabrication welding principles and producing plate work. You will sit an online health and safety and engineering principles exam and you will be tested on your practical skills throughout the course. You will also be tested on your knowledge of each process. An endpoint assessment will be taken at the end of the course covering all the knowledge, skills and behaviours you have learned throughout this course. Finally, we offer evening classes. These are adult-only classes and you must be over 18 for health and safety reasons. This is a full cost course. We offer the course twice a year, September and January starts, and the course duration is 15 weeks. You can choose from TIG, MIG or manual metal arc welding. There is a Level 1 or a Level 2 depending on your skills. The Level 1 is in the flat position and the Level 2 is in the vertical position. You will need to pass 5 practical pieces and a short theory exam. There's no previous experience or Maths and English required for this course. Many thanks for your time and we hope to see you on one of our welding qualifications. Thank you.